Hello and welcome back to the Blue Bindi podcast where we talk about finance, women and everything in between. Today's topic is really interesting where we're going to talk about careers and ambitions. Whether it's about switching jobs or re-entering the workforce, change can be a little overwhelming. But today we have somebody who's done it all. Please welcome Sukena Merchant, who's built a strong career across different industries. And she's passionate about helping women embrace change with confidence. Sukena, welcome.
Thank you so much, Ritika, for inviting me. Actually, this is very close to my heart, the topic what we have decided. Thank you, I'm really excited.
So Sukena, you've built your career across various industries, okay? What according to you holds women back from pursuing something that they really want to do?
So, my journey is really long, it's been more than 15 years of experience, but dynamics of my, workplaces is completely different. So, you will be shocked when you hear this that, I've come from, so Nuvama is the current space I'm in, but prior to this I was with the film industry. Okay.
Wow.
So, maximum of my experience has been there, okay. Transitioning from a costume designer to a wealth manager is a biggest transition of my life. And I think so more or less why women hold themselves is only because they have fear of stepping out of their comfort zone and instability of finance and not very confident. So I remember one thing my father always spoken about, that feel the fear and do it any which ways.
Okay.
So that is embodied in me completely, wherein what he meant was कि आपको वो एक्शन लेना ही है. Just do it. Either it's a growth, you will walk towards growth, or you will have a failure.
You learn from that failure.
Yes, absolutely. And failure doesn't mean you're failed.
Correct.
So it's all about it's a feedback.
Correct.
So it's always a win-win both the sides. Either you take a feedback or either you have a growth in life.
Correct.
So this is completely, once again I would like to reiterate, feel the fear and do it any which ways. That's what I would like to tell all the women around.
So, wow, I mean, that's lovely, and I really, what your dad mentioned, I think all of us should do that, fear.
Feel it. Feel the fear and do it any which ways.
And do it any which ways. I'm actually going to do that. Now tell me one thing, now that you moved from film industry to wealth management space, okay? Very diverse, very different. So when you moved here, what were those misconceptions or what was, something that you encountered during your shift and what helped you navigate?
So basically, of course, there was I was very jittery when I was entering this space because I came from a very different industry. But I think so most common misconception is that women cannot handle finance well. But I think so if you see back home, like my mother, my grandmother, they always could manage the money so well, which is still with us, but we did not look into it.
Correct.
Right. Then I moved to this financial industry and I saw it myself, wherein Ritika, if you ask me 3 years back, I was only investing in FDs, like a fixed income space. And I did not know anything about financial instruments, other things like that. But yes, I've started very late. I don't want to mention my age, but yeah, I started very late of investments, but it's never too late, as well it's said. So I think so.
So the misconception, yes, that finance is complex in a way, difficult moreover for females, but it's it's the way you take it. It's the way you challenge yourself. It is not complex. It is something very simple.
Very
it is
simple.
just the efforts that you have to put in.
Absolutely.
And learn. And now that it just reiterates okay, back then fixed income, fixed deposits were the options. Today also I think a lot of us would be doing that just because we are not exposed.
Correct.
So I think the more we get exposed, the more we educate ourselves, that will help us all grow.
Absolutely right.
Yeah. Another thing that I would want to ask you is, what is that one advice you would want to give to women who want to make those career shifts but they are stuck somewhere? So what is that one thing that you would tell them?
See, according to my experience and everything, I would only advise one thing, that don't be stuck. I mean, come out of your comfort zone, step out of your comfort zone and be an action taker. Take 100% responsibility towards this thing as well, like finance and money. Just like how you take decisions for your health, you might be having health goals and other goals in life. So something like that, be an action taker for your career goals as well. But not only career per se, you can also manage your finances. I mean, you can just have your budgeting done. You can just understand that thing, and it will really help you in personal development as well, not only career front. Something
So
like
that way, if your finances are taken care, it will give you, I think, some confidence, because
Absolutely.
one of the reasons for us to not take that action could also be, okay, what if I go wrong? You
Right.
know, what goes wrong? But if I'm a little financially stable, it will give me that confidence to take that leap. You know, take that step.
You're absolutely right, Ritika, because the confidence you get after
Yes.
getting financially stable and everything, it's really commendable. Like, you have a different aura, you have a different energy around you.
True,
You are like very like powerful, like you feel very empowering.
Correct.
So we can advise all the women around, just
Yeah.
be financially stable,
And take
however,
that action.
career or personal,
Sure.
or personal development.
Thank you, Sukena. Thank you so much for sharing your journey with us and your insights. And I'm gonna mention that again. Feel the fear.
And do it any which ways.
Correct. Thank you so
Let's
much.
cheers to this.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you to all our listeners for tuning in today. And remember, following your dreams and ambition don't have to be scary. Until next time.